Train your English voice to use a verb plus preposition. First, we will look at verb plus in. Believe in. To trust or have faith in somebody or something. Specialize in. To be an expert in something. Succeed in. To achieve a positive result. Let's look at some example sentences. She believes in her capability as a novelist. She specializes in writing romance novels. She succeeded in writing a prize-winning novel this year. Verb plus into. Break into. To get into something using force. Crash, drive, bump, or run into. To make contact with force. Divide, cut, or split into. To make into parts. Translate into. To change from one language to another. Some example sentences. The book was translated from English into Spanish. The book was split into 2 films because it was too long. Verb plus with. Collide with. To make contact, usually accidentally. Fill something with. To put something into something. Provide or supply with. To give somebody something they need. Our example sentences. She filled her mug with coffee before starting to write. Her friend supplied her with the basic storyline. Verb plus to. Happen to. To have an effect on somebody or something. Invite somebody to. To ask somebody to an event. Prefer to. To like one thing better than another. Our example sentences. What happened to your edition? I spilt coffee on it. She was invited to the book signing. Verb plus on. Concentrate on. To put your effort or attention to something. Insist on. To keep doing something against advice. Spend money on. To use money to buy something. Our example sentences. She concentrated on getting the book finished. She insisted on using the draft version even though she had been told it was boring.